Hey developers, welcome back to another video of Developers Guide. In this video, we are going to use Firebase authentication. We're going to add it to our sixth video, menus and dialogues, the app which we created in sixth video. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is add the dependencies. Okay, so for this, you can go to Tools and Firebase. I have already told in my previous video how to connect to Firebase console, how to connect your app to Firebase console, and how to add dependencies. Okay, so as you can see, dependencies set up correctly. So it's refreshing Firebase state. So let it get refreshed. So you can see it is shown here. One app is connected. Here the package name of the app is shown. Okay, and here we need to turn on email ID and password authentication and sign in method. Okay, so see, as you can see, it's disabled right now. We need to enable it. Email password is enabled. Now let's come back to users and let's once again see the templates here. Okay, so this you will receive, like, if you want to confirm your email address. So first we'll only use email ID and password, sign up. So you can see app is already connected. So now we need to do is we need to declare a Firebase Auth object. Okay, Firebase Auth object. Then we need to initialize it. So all the steps are given here. You have to only customize it according to your use. Okay, let's import it. Alt enter, and then we need to copy only this to get our user. But we don't need this. Okay, so this is done. Now we need to sign up new users. Okay, to do that, it's simple code, but let me this time write it. So let's make it a bit smaller, and we have already seen our builder here. So if you want to add any code in your builder, so you need to go here. Okay, and you can see here is your on click. So again, what you need to do is create these two. Create these two things again here. And then you need to initialize it. We need to first sign up. So S was sign up, as you remember. We need user ID and password strings, and start here. Now we'll remove the toast. We no longer need it. Auth dot add new user. Auth dot create user with email and password. Okay. Now you need to add username and password. So user here and password here. Okay, now you need to add a listener here. Okay, on complete listener, as you can see here. and you need to pass auth results. Sorry, here we don't need this. Here we need to pass what we take, activity, I guess. Yeah, activity. Now it's good to go. We are passing here activity because this has no context. Its context depend upon which class is calling it, which activity is calling it. Okay, so we are passing activity here. And what's the error here? Now it's a very simple logic. What we need to do is if task dot is successful. Okay, we need to check if task was successful or not. As you can see here. Okay, so if task is successful, we can create a toast. Let's create a toast. Okay, so this is completed. Now we need to add sign in. So for sign in, it's let's also add if for any reason the sign up process is incomplete. So we'll also show a toast here, but this time we'll show okay, so it will show us the exception, whatever exception is caused, and just remove it and auth. This time we need to sign in. We have created a new user, but we need to sign in. Sign in with email and password. Just copy paste these two things here. Then activity, and what we need to do is again if task dot is successful, then show a toast, but this time login successful. Okay, so let us try and test this fragment of the code. So as you can see, installation is successful. Now let's try and log in. First we'll try and add our email ID. And password. Password will not be shown in the video. I have entered my password, it will not be shown. Let's try and log in, but it will give us an exception. Okay, now let's click on login and see the exception here. So you can see invalid user exception because we have not created a user by this name right now. But if we click on sign up, and sign up successful. So as you can see, sign up is successful. Now if we go back to our and do a reload here, so you can see my email is displayed here, and this is my user UID. This is my unique ID. Like sometimes if you want to add a record if you're creating a database, so you can add this UID in your database to extract the records of any user. Now here you can add many things, like you can add user's name, user's date of birth, user's photo, many things. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we are also going to send an email whenever sign up or login is successful. Now it will send a verification email. Let's add the same FA to login. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete my app. You need to delete your app because login is already successful. Okay, and login is already successful, so you cannot log in again with the same email ID. So I deleted the app in my phone and then reinstalling it. This time we'll see if we are receiving email. Let's try and do login. This time you can also log in because email and password is already created. Okay, let's try and log in. Login successful, and but it will send it. You can try it with your own email ID. It will send an email on your email ID for verification that your this project name, whatever template you give here, the same you need to give here a template. Okay. So, and when you click on this button, then your email is sent. Okay. So this was all for this video. Do make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button.